Have you ever stood up for what's right, even when it was hard? Let's meet Nelson Mandela, the man who helped bring peace and equality to South Africa. Nelson Mandela was born in a small village in South Africa in 1918. His birth name was Rolihlahla, which means troublemaker. Little Nelson loved stories, school, and running barefoot in the fields. He dreamed of becoming a leader who helped others. On his first day of school, his teacher gave him an English name, Nelson. It was common back then, but strange to him. As he grew older, Nelson noticed unfair rules. Black people couldn't vote, go to good schools, or use the same places as white people. That wasn't fair, and he knew it. Mandela became a lawyer to fight for justice with words, not fists. He believed everyone should be treated equally. He helped lead marches and gave powerful speeches. Mandela wanted change, not war, but the government didn't listen. In 1962, Mandela was arrested for protesting unfair laws. He was sent to jail, not for hurting anyone, but for using his voice. Nelson Mandela spent 27 years in prison. He missed birthdays, family, and freedom, but he never stopped believing in peace. Even from prison, Mandela inspired millions. He wrote letters, read books, and dreamed of a fair South Africa. In 1990, Nelson Mandela was finally set free. People danced in the streets. He came out smiling, ready to forgive, not fight. Instead of taking revenge, Mandela worked with others, even former enemies, to build a new country together. In 1994, he became South Africa's first Black president. He wore colorful shirts, made new friends, and filled the world with hope. Mandela won the Nobel Peace Prize and became a symbol of peace everywhere. He showed the world what forgiveness looks like. Nelson Mandela passed away in 2013 at age 95. People across the planet celebrated his life with songs, lights, and love. Mandela proved that one person can make a big difference. So stand up, speak kindly, forgive bravely, be like Nelson. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe.